Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Kenan and today I will present efficient multi-attribute similarity learning towards attribute-based fashion search. This is a joint work from National University of Singapore and A-STAR. First of all, our contributions can be listed as follows. First, we introduce a new fashion dataset. Then we propose a two-path CNN for the fashion search. Lastly, relevance feedback method is used to adopt well-trained features and include humans into the search process. So the aim is to carry out fashion searches by the query image and attribute manipulation. For example, this can be replacing long sleeve of a dress into sleeveless. We represent attributes in two groups. Firstly, general attributes. It can be category and gender, for example. Then special attributes. It can be sleeve length or color, etc. Special attributes are more suitable for the attribute manipulation, thus conducting searches. For example, in the given example, given a query image, user may not like some attributes such as long sleeve or white, and by applying demonstrated attribute manipulations, a new images can be retrieved using our model. So first we construct this dataset called Shopping 100K. It includes 100,000 shopping images with 12 fashion attributes. It has 151 labels. Next, before going into the learning part, we use an unsupervised part extraction algorithm to extract regions of the clothing products from the original image. For the learning part, we use AlexNet as a baseline and apply several modifications. It might not be visible here, but at left-hand side, we use it for the general attributes, and at the right-hand side, we use it for special attributes. And in this part, we use a region of interest pooling idea to train the network with respect to parts. So the idea of part-based training is, at first glance, this anchor and positive images might seem not that similar. However, when you look at color parts and attributes, they actually share same label, and the negative image is randomly chosen from the color attribute set, which does not share the same label as the anchor image. So here, some examples are given for this search. For example, in the first row, we change this hood color to mandarin color and retrieve new images. We do this by replacing hood color descriptor with a mean of mandarin color. Also, lastly, we include relevant feedback method because in our proposed algorithm, we treat each attribute, each descriptor equally, but this may not be the case for the users because each one might have different opinions. So we adopt relevant feedback module. In experiments, we actually, compared to baselines, we improve this top K retrieval accuracy by quite amount, and more detailed experiments can be seen in our poster session. Thank you for listening, and we welcome you to our poster session.